Hello everyone! In this video I'll be sharing an exclusive offer from Bluehost that comes with a fantastic coupon promo code. By clicking the link provided in the video description, you can avail a generous 75% discount and a free domain. In case the link doesn't direct you as expected, simply copy and paste it into your browser, then hit enter to unlock these incredible savings. The coupon will be automatically applied for you. Now, let's dive into today's topics. Introduction. Bluehost stands as a renowned name in the realm of web hosting, offering a plethora of services tailored to cater to diverse website needs. With its compelling coupon code for 2024, Bluehost continues to attract individuals and businesses seeking reliable hosting solutions. Let's delve into what makes Bluehost a standout choice in the hosting industry. What is Bluehost? Bluehost is a leading web hosting company known for its reliability and user-friendly services. B. It offers a variety of hosting plans including shared, VPS, dedicated, and WordPress hosting tailored to meet different website requirements. 2. Benefits of choosing Bluehost. A free one-year domain. 1. Bluehost provides a complimentary domain registration for the first year with all hosting plans. 2. This allows users to establish their online presence without additional domain registration costs. B. 75% discount on hosting. 1. Bluehost frequently offers significant discounts on hosting plans through its 2024 coupon code. 2. Users can take advantage of this discount to save substantially on their hosting expenses. C. Free SSL certificate for enhanced security. 1. Bluehost includes a free SSL certificate with all hosting plans, ensuring secure data transmission and enhancing website security. 2. SSL encryption is crucial for protecting sensitive information and building trust with website visitors. 3. Key features of Bluehost. A 30-day money-back guarantee. 1. Bluehost stands behind its services with a 30-day money-back guarantee. 2. Users can explore Bluehost's offerings risk-free and receive a full refund if they are not satisfied within the first month. One-click WordPress installation. 1. Bluehost simplifies the process of installing WordPress with just a single click. 2. This feature is especially beneficial for users who prefer WordPress as their content management system. See 24/7 customer support. 1. Bluehost offers round-the-clock customer support via phone, live chat, and email. 2. Their knowledgeable support team assists users with technical issues and inquiries promptly and efficiently. Conclusion. Bluehost emerges as a top choice for individuals and businesses seeking reliable and affordable web hosting solutions. With its array of features including free domain registration, discounted hosting plans, free SSL certificates, and robust customer support, Bluehost empowers users to establish and manage their online presence with confidence and ease. Embrace the Bluehost coupon code for 2024 to embark on your online journey with savings and security in mind. Remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Jesus bless you. Thank you.